Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about how to do for drag and drop player. Okay, which I have used for my previous video with the same application I'm going to take it. Here you can able to drag this one and you can able to pull it back. Okay, if you drag, there is a name called top. Okay, these two we can able to compare. One is first we can here we can drop. After dropping, there is a value. That value we can able to verify it. Okay. Sorry. How we can able to do this drag and drop by using our Playwright. For this, I'm going to copy this and 15 drag and drop. Okay. Everything is same. Just I'm going to change this particular things. Okay. And here, first of all, we need to identify the locator. Okay. And first you can take the ID path for this particular one, await page dot locator, and then specify our locator. Then we can able to use the method called drag to sync. Drag to sync. This method will be sync for your destination location. We can able to set target and source locations. Okay, there is a ID. It is there. You can able to copy by ID, or you can able to do for by using for selector. Okay. Now a page dot locator, and this particular locator again I specify here. Okay. After that, we need to wait some time because without waiting, if you are doing right, it will may fail. Okay, it may fail, but 100% not sure, but it may fail. Okay, that moment what you have to do, you need to provide some wait before doing the assertions. Otherwise, you can able to see failures on your. Okay, page to await, and then there is a see this is the one, and there is a field extension called drop. Okay, now again I'm going to take this drop, control F, hash id, and then inside of my p is there. Okay, because that is the exact value we need to capture. Okay, now page dot locator. For this locator I'm going to specify the value. Okay, then I'm going to, so previous we are used for to have a value. Now I'm going to use for to have a text. To have a text. Okay, new rex. Okay, for the text I'm going to using which one, dropped. Okay, this is the one I'm going to use for the drop. Okay, I'm using this one and semicolon. Okay, this will run for our script. See, dragged and verified. Our test case got pass. Okay, successfully. This way we can able to perform more steps. Drag and drop. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.